Welcome to the latest Crosshair 16 series tutorial. From Crosshair 16HX to the AMD-powered A16HX, and at the top, the Crosshair 16 Max HX. Max version is the most powerful configuration in the lineup, built with the Intel Core Ultra 200HX processor, up to RTX 5070 graphics, and up to 200 watts of total system power. Later in the video, we'll also highlight the key differences in the design between the models, so you know exactly which one fits you best. But first, let's talk about what makes the Max truly Max. It boasts a mechanical-inspired design at 21.95 to 23.85 millimeters thick, 14.3% thinner than the previous gen, and 2.2 kilograms weight. RGB Dragon Shield lighting and metal maca design delivers futuristic style. Customize the 24-zone RGB keyboard via MSI Center Mystic Light with translucent WASD keys. Connectivity is essential. On the Max version, you'll find Thunderbolt 4 and USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with DisplayPort and power delivery support. 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, HDMI 2.1 for up to 8K output, wired LAN, and audio connectivity. On standard models, Thunderbolt 4 is not included. Instead, you get 2 USB-C ports with USB 3.2 Gen 2 and 3 USB-A ports running at Gen 1 speeds. Whether you need high bandwidth expansion or standard gaming connectivity, there's a configuration for your setup. Before we explore what this machine can really do, remember to connect the 240 watt adapter to unlock shipping mode. Behold, the 16-inch QHD+ OLED display. With a 165 Hz refresh rate and VISA Display HDR True Black certification, it delivers deep contrast and vivid detail. Whether you're gaming or creating, it looks incredible. Best of all, it's SGS certified for eye care, protecting your vision even during those marathon gaming sessions. Real performance starts with cooling. Cooler Boost lays the foundation. Dual fans, 5 heat pipes, quad exhaust design, phase change thermal compound, 20% better heat dissipation versus standard setups. This sustains extreme loads without throttling, enabling full overboost potential. With that thermal headroom, MSI Overboost unlocks up to 200 watts of total system power. That's 115 watts to the GPU and dynamic power allocation to the CPU, delivering higher and more stable frame rates compared to typical 170 watt systems. For peak performance, Apex mode pushes the system to its limits for maximum gaming dominance. Raw power is important, but control matters just as much. MSI Center is your command center. Choose from multiple user scenario profiles in MSI Center. Balance mode for everyday performance, Eco Silent for extended battery life, and extreme performance with Apex mode to unlock the full 200 watt overboost power. Enable MUX plus discrete graphics mode for maximum FPS gains. F7 hotkey quick toggle scenarios. Hardware monitor shows real-time CPU, GPU temps, fan curves, and adjust manually or auto. MSI Center includes feature sets that let you install features based on your needs. Mystic Light in MSI Center lets you customize the 24-zone RGB keyboard and Dragon Shield lighting with different effects and colors. MSI OLED Care runs automatically in the background to help prevent OLED burn-in and maintain display quality. All Crosshair 16 series models feature dual M.2 SSD slots, one PCIe Gen 5 and one Gen 4. Super RAID 5 can be configured by advanced users to unlock even higher storage performance. Once enabled, it delivers read speeds up to 14,000 megabytes per second, drastically reducing game load times and accelerating file transfers. MSI AI Engine intelligently adapts your system in real time, optimizing performance, cooling, audio, and visuals based on your activity. For a complete walkthrough of MSI AI features, check out the dedicated tutorial linked below. But when you want direct control, just talk to the MSI AI robot. To get started, visit the MSI AI robot landing page. Download the tool and follow the installation steps to complete the setup. Once installed, you can use the simple text commands to fine-tune performance, lighting, and audio settings instantly. No complicated menus required. Don't forget the gaming shortcut. Hit Function plus the down arrow to bring up the Crosshair overlay instantly. Want to tweak it? In MSI Center, you can adjust the size, position, style, and even the color to match your setup. Standard HX or the Max Powerhouse, either way, you're locked in and ready to win. Crosshair 16 series combines 200-watt overboost performance, ultra-fast super RAID storage, AI-powered intelligence, and full control through MSI Center. Explore the entire Crosshair 16 series lineup at msi.com. Game on.